Want to display scrolling news headlines on your website automatically? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn any news website into an RSS feed and display the headlines as a ticker on your site. First, find the website that publishes the headlines you want to display. This could be a news site, industry blog, sports page, or company updates page. For example, you might use the homepage of a news website or a specific category like technology, business, or sports. Once you find the page that contains the headlines you want to show on your site, copy the URL from your browser. Next, open RSS.app and paste that URL into the RSS feed generator. RSS.app scans the page and converts its headlines into a structured RSS feed that updates automatically whenever new articles are published. Click Save to My Feeds. Now you can control which headlines appear. Open the Filters section to hide duplicate posts, or include or exclude articles by keyword. For example, you might show only headlines that mention a specific team, company, or topic. Now that your feed is ready, go to the Widgets section and choose Ticker. The ticker layout displays headlines in a horizontal scrolling bar, which makes it ideal for headers or footers. If you want to adjust the look, you can choose from several style presets to quickly change the appearance of the ticker. Or click Customize to make more detailed changes, like adjusting the speed, direction, font, or colors. When you're ready, click Add to Website. Copy the JavaScript or iframe embed code. Then paste that code into a custom HTML block on your website. As soon as it's added, the ticker will begin displaying headlines from your RSS feed. Whenever new articles appear on the source website, the ticker updates automatically. You can also create multiple feeds from different websites and combine them into a bundle. Then display the bundle in a single ticker to show headlines from several sources at once. This makes it easy to keep your site fresh without manually editing your page. Create your first news ticker today at RSS.app.